Hi there, and thank you for joining me. I'm Delina Rose with Cabin Organic. Today we are doing a quick unboxing video. This is a package from Polymer Clay Canada. Here's their information. I think I took a close-up photo of that as well. And check this out. This is their thank you card, and this is such a great idea to steal. So they scotch taped a paper clip behind it, and that way they are able to put a little free magnet. And so if you are a maker and you are thinking of ways to give free little treats to people that order from your store, wow, this is a great idea. So thank you, Polymer Clay Canada. Before we do the unboxing, I just want to cry out to all of you other polymer clay artists. Are you also having trouble finding clay? I looked all over Michael's, and I even looked at Michael's online. There was nothing to order, and there was nothing in the stores. The shelves are bare. And there was some Etsy stores that sell polymer clay, but they're all the way across the world. Shipping is sometimes crazy. And even the people that are selling polymer clay are out of stock on almost everything. So I really wanted to do this unboxing video so that you can see what I've bought recently, and so that you, if you're looking for clay as well, then try polymerclaycanada.com. And they also had a lot out of stock. They didn't have all of the colors that I wanted and that I'm used to working with. And that's okay, because I will keep checking their website. Also, it was kind of fun because it forced me to order some other colors that I normally don't work with. And that's going to challenge me as an artist to find ways to make it work, or to make a new discovery of finding out, wow, I actually love this color and I never would have bought it if you didn't have the colors I was looking for. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing video. It's short and sweet, and I also end it with just a quick glance at some of the polymer clay projects that I'm working on right now. And as you can see, they are all just embellished journals. And my store, Cabin Organic, we sell nature-inspired jewelry, and I also sell a little bit of garden decor, some silk scarves that I dye myself, and some of these embellished journals, and metal and gemstone bookmarks. So have a look at our store, but if you're looking for any polymer clay specific projects, they're all just journals at the moment. I would really love to get brave and try my hand at some polymer clay jewelry. And I've recently bought a book on that and watched some great videos that are inspiring me. So stay tuned for that as well. In the meantime, enjoy this unboxing video. I'm like a kid in a candy store. I've got all this new clay to work with, and so I may have to do a follow-up video to show, here are the new journals with the new colors. I also ordered some more silicone molds, so that is going to be exciting too. And so they should be here in about a week. And so I'll save some of this polymer clay for those projects. So without further ado, enjoy the unboxing, and let me know in the comments below what kind of projects you're working on with polymer clay, or if you want to send me some pictures, you can email me at cabinorganic@gmail.com and we can share ideas. Please like and subscribe this video as well. It is a powerful way of letting YouTube know that you want to see more videos like this, and it lets me know that you enjoyed it and that you would like to see more videos like this. So thank you so much. Have a great day and enjoy the unboxing. And thank you for joining me for my unboxing of my order from Polymer Clay Canada. And their website is polymerclaycanada.com. And let me just zoom this in for you here so you can see www.polymerclaycanada. And that's their email and their Instagram. And this is so cute because I opened the box and they include this free little polymer clay magnet. This is a good idea. I'm going to steal that idea. They just put a little paper clip on the back, and then their magnet sticks. So any of you people that make polymer clay and want to give a freebie to some of your people that are ordering or buying from you, what a great idea. So thank you, Polymer Clay Canada. I paid, as you can see, I ordered all 2-ounce packets of Sculpey Primo. And I have to say it was a really difficult time finding the colors that I needed because most people, as I mentioned, are sold out. So this is what Polymer Clay Canada did have in stock at the moment. And so I ordered 4 each of each color, except for, I think there's just a couple where, I think there's only one that I ordered just 2, and that was fuchsia, which is a color that I've never used yet, but I want to try some things out. So we're gonna unpack this together. So I will show you all the colors that I bought, and if you make polymer clay, and if you're having the same problem that I'm having at this moment of just buying clay, then you'll be just as excited as I am to see all of this new clay. So here you can see that I have bought just, let's see what, here we go. Yeah, this is just black, you know, because sometimes they have special types of black. So I think I've got 4 of these. So I'm going to just set this aside here. Just have to get this all out so we can unpack it together. Yeah, here's 4 of the burnt umber. So this is what burnt umber looks like. Kind of a chocolate brown. I work a lot with earthy colors because I do a lot of nature products. So so this fuchsia is a bit of a departure, but there's lots of fuchsia in nature if you just got to walk around in summer and look at all the flowers. So this is quite a bright color, and it is just called fuchsia. And next I've got 4 of the copper. So this is what copper looks like. It is quite a light copper. It is not a red, deep red copper. It almost looks like a darker gold. And it's perfect because I work with this color a lot. Copper. So 4 of those. And here's 2 more of the black. So yes, I did order 4 of the black. Okay, next in our box, I've got rose gold glitter, and I've never worked with a glitter polymer clay. So, but because they didn't have everything I was looking for, I was open to trying some new colors. And as you probably already know, that's when the magic happens, you know, where you say, I normally wouldn't do this, but I'm going to try it, and I will try it. And if I find that this glitter is a bit too shiny for me, I can always mute the colors later, or paint over the clay, or touch it up, or do something that'll just take some of the shine. But I am totally open to falling in love with this new color. So we'll just set that here. Okay, next I have 4 packs of the navy. And so it's a darker blue. I wish it was even darker, but as you know, with polymer clay, you just mix it. And you can adjust your color any way that you like. And you can mix it completely in, or you can marbleize it, or do all kinds of fun things with the colors. The next color, these 4 packs that I've ordered, is yellow gold glitter. So this is just like that rose gold glitter. So it's quite a chunky sparkle. So there you go, yellow gold glitter. And I'll just hold up one of the rose gold glitter so you can just compare. No, that's copper. Here's the rose gold glitter. So you can see just the subtle differences. The rose gold definitely is more warmer, more orangey, pinky, orangey pinky, and then the gold is more yellow. Okay, the next color that I ordered was silver. I work a lot with silver, and I was running low. So there's some silver. You see it's metallic, but it's not as chunky metallic as the gold. This gold is really chunky, but the silver is got finer sparkles. Okay, the next 4 is cowboy. So this is another brown, and we'll compare this with burnt umber. This is a lighter, more of a tan color. cowboy. And let's just pull one of these burnt umber so you can see the difference. I like ordering clay as close to the color that I need it as possible because it just saves me a lot of time of having to custom mix my colors. Now this is a new color for me. It's called Bluestone. Can you see that? Bluestone. And it's so pretty. It's kind of a gray blue. It's a little deeper, darker than a robin's egg blue, but I can definitely use it for robin's egg kind of projects. So there is my final color of the polymer clay that I ordered. So here's a shot of all the clay together. And you can see this is the palette that I will be working with for the coming weeks as I make my polymer clay journal projects. And while we're here, I will just give you a sneak peek of some of the journals that I do already make. I'll just give you a brief glance of some of the polymer clay projects that I am doing presently. So my shop, as you know, is cabinorganic.shop, and I make jewelry, silk scarves, some garden decor, journals, and some bookmarks, metal and gemstone bookmarks, and they're all for sale on my store. And so with polymer clay, I like to embellish these journals so that they can have a nature theme to them. So here you can see I've just used a really simple polymer clay plate and then glued on a large metal pendant of a bee. And I have that in a couple of colors. In the same color of journal, I also have this dream catcher. So same idea, right? It's just a polymer clay plate with a pendant. This one I just have a simple plate with a polymer clay leaf on top. So really simple nature. I have a variety of these daisy. The other ones are wrapped in cellophane. So I have this in dark charcoal, light pink, and light blue, and this is the gray. And I love them. I love these journals. These fabric ones are bullet journals. And my stamp is on the back, Cabin Organic, handmade, inspired by nature. So here's a couple more. I just finished these bees as well. I have it in the charcoal and the, yeah, let me just grab the other ones here. Oh, they're wrapped in cellophane right now, so that's okay. Just wanted to show you. I have these in pink, blue, dark gray, and light gray. And again, I have some yoga themed journals. So what I love is the polymer clay just allows me to impress this lovely French script, and then I can put any kind of pendant on top or polymer clay, you know, shape or object like a leaf or a flower on top. So these, it's just fun to use the metal pendants. So these are all for a yoga style. Now I have these dragonfly journals. I have them in light gray and a dark charcoal, and then I just made up this pink and blue as well, just because the pink and blue journals were available. And I have added a finish to these ones. I used like an iridescent pink and blue lacquer, and that just made them look really cool. So I also have these sun and moon pendants, and this is what the dark charcoal and the gray looks like. And then I also have it in blue. And now that I have the navy clay and the black, I can do this same moon pendant on that, and that would look really striking on the gray. I've always got my eye out for blank journals that I can transform into my embellished journals. And lastly for my show and tell are these sun journals. So this is just to show you how I've been using polymer clay right now. It's very simple, but I am looking forward to doing more with polymer clay and actually making jewelry with them as well. I've made lots of other polymer clay styles in the past. similar to this, but with dragonflies, polymer clay dragonflies, and polymer clay butterflies, polymer clay owls, and I do have some more exciting new molds coming. So you will just have to visit the store, and if you just click on journals, you can see what I've got in stock at the moment, what I've made. So this is just a sampling of what I make, what I've been doing with polymer clay lately.